Hey everyone, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this episode, I'm working on a 5x5 mini album for my Spring 23 project, and I titled this page Bloom and Birthday. I'm using the paper pack Good Friends by Craftsman, so this is actually a physical product that I'm using, not one of the digital products that I use. I created a pocket for this for the left side. This is a kind of like a double page spread, and I used my silhouette to create and design this pocket. As you can see, it has a prettyish border, and so I just use some of the files that I have available in my silhouette library to just create these kinds of things. So I made sure it fit the size of this 5x5 page, and then I just trimmed and cut the paper accordingly to the size. I am also adding another paper to the background, but I don't need to fill up the entire page because most of it will, like a good part of it will be hidden behind the pocket. I just want to make sure, because it's kind of like a filigrane border, so I wanted to make sure that the pattern will go beyond that. Then I also used my silhouette to cut out this kind of bunting banner, and then I watercolored it with a color that matches the paper, the green in the paper basically. And then I have this little flower that I created with one of my dies, and that will go there as a little embellishment bit. And then I made these fun tags using a ton of my stamps, and so they were just a fun project to do. Then I am going on to the next page, and that will be here actually I have the photos that still need to go in the pocket, and I mat them with a little mat that is slightly larger than the picture itself. So now I can tuck in the photos, and that is my page done. For the other page, I have these little rectangles that I cut out. I basically I think I die cut these because I have some dies that have a nice little faux stitching, and I do like that bit of dimension there. And then I have two more small photos that I'm going to be using on this page, and so here I'm just making sure to mat those photos. Either there's a mat that I'm using, a scallop mat for the background of one, and then I also sized one of the photos to fit this tiny little kind of Polaroid frame, and I think it turned out pretty cute. So now I'm ready. Once I have figured out where the photos will go, I wanted to make sure that I had an idea so that I know how to spread out these papers. So I want to make sure that the papers are still somewhat visible. In my old digital scrapbooking days, I didn't mind to pile up the papers, and if there was just a tiny bit of paper that would peek out from underneath something, it didn't matter to me. But in this case, since I've started working with actual physical products, I do want the papers and their patterns to actually be visible, so I do pay more attention to that. And I've also noticed I don't like when my page is just too full with embellishments, like the way I did pile things up in the digital scrapbook layouts. I do prefer when my pages are a little less crowded if I am creating a physical page, because for one, I noticed that the photos kind of get lost in that. So here I have tiny little ferns that I am adding to my page there, and using those as a little extra embellishment there. And so this is where I will also put some flowers for decoration. And then I created these little candles. They should have gone behind a photo, but I think I can still tuck it behind. But these are die cut pieces that I just watercolored, and because the photo is, I layered the photo on top of the other photo, so there was luckily a little bit there of a gap between the photo and the background paper, so that I could just tuck it behind these candles behind there. And then I'm adding flowers for embellishments, and then kind of like a title. This is a stamp that says birthday, so that is pretty much what I'm going to do with this page, because it's a small size. I don't want to just add too many different embellishments there. I also have this little brad piece, and I end up always cutting off the clips from the back and then just glue them on, because I don't want to pierce through my paper. And often I start already gluing things down. It makes it complicated, but if I just glue it onto my page, it works just fine. So that's what I end up doing there. And I think this is my 2-page spread done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.